Welcome to Thursday, July 14th, 2022, your day weather podcast brought to you by Cowboy State Daily. Cowboy State Daily has more original Wyoming news content than any other news organization in the state. Cowboy State Daily, sign up for their daily newsletter or check them out on their Facebook page. It's the summer doldrums, folks. We're just into the time of year, weather-wise, where meteorologists like myself get bored or can have long stretches of boredom because we just don't have a lot of fronts. We don't have a lot of big storms coming through. It's dominated by hot, high pressure. The monsoon is what keeps the weather pattern interesting, and we'll talk about that here in a minute. So high pressure and heat going to dominate the forecast, but the monsoon moisture is going to be around today and Friday. Not as much of it this weekend, but the next 2 days it is going to be, in parts of the Intermountain West, pretty active with thunderstorm activity in the afternoon and evening hours. Very warm temperatures next week. There's a little bit of a cool front that may brush the area Tuesday of next week, but nothing that's going to be significant. The monsoon moisture flow has expanded and gone further north and east, and you can see it anywhere you see the gray here. There's that higher humidity air that's streaking its way up out of the desert states and out of Mexico and into the Intermountain West. And the precipitable water is getting quite impressive. This is the precipitable water forecast for this afternoon. And what this map shows you is the available water vapor to generate showers and storms. The green and blue doesn't show who's going to get rained on. What it shows is where the deepest moisture is. You add daytime heating, a few weather disturbances, you add some mountains, and you're going to generate thunderstorms in those blue and green and also the white areas. This is today, and this is what the thunderstorm pattern looks like with the lightning forecast by this afternoon and evening. So you can see along the Gulf Coast, throughout the Rockies and the desert Southwest is where the majority of the thunderstorms across the United States will be today. And this is where the risk of severe weather is going to be the highest, across the northern plains, Montana, up into the Dakotas. This is for Friday. It's deeper. Notice there's more blue there. And as we mentioned yesterday, the mountains of southern Wyoming and into central Colorado, watch out for heavy rainfall from those thunderstorms in the mountains, especially tomorrow. Could see it today, but especially tomorrow. And the thunderstorm coverage on Friday, quite extensive. As you can see, along the Continental Divide and west of the Continental Divide and just east of the Divide is where the majority of the thunderstorms will be on Friday, a pretty active day. And this is for Saturday. The axis of the moisture gets pushed more to the east. So along and east of the Divide is where the thunderstorms will be on Saturday. But by Sunday, notice the green and the blue is replaced by brown. So drier air comes in on Sunday. So for today, tomorrow, and to some extent Saturday is when we're going to see the majority of the thunderstorms. The thunderstorms on Saturday are going to be more into this area here where that deeper moisture is. And boy, you can see that. Here's your thunderstorm forecast area right there for your day on Saturday. The drier air punches into here by Sunday, so the thunderstorm threat goes down. So if you're looking for a day of the least chance for thunderstorms for outdoor activities or recreation, it's going to be on Sunday. This is why there's where the high is going to be this afternoon. This is where the high is going to be on Sunday, moving to the west. That cuts off the moisture flow. This low right here is going to move across the northern plain states by early next week. That's that possible cool front that could come in on Tuesday, and there it is. On Tuesday, the high stays in the Four Corners area, but there will be a bit of a cool front. So as again the Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, that may set off some showers and thunderstorms, and maybe the middle of next week, that front will cool us off just a little bit as we hit the middle parts of next week. This is what temperatures look like for the next 7 days relative to average. So wherever you see the orange or the red, relative to average, that's where it's going to be the warmest. With the clouds and the thunderstorms along the Gulf Coast and in the Midwest there, temperatures are going to be the coolest relative to average. Have yourself a great Thursday. We'll see you on Friday.